First, lay out the trampoline frame in order. The leg tube on the left has a screw hole on one end. The tube on the right has spring clips on both ends. Take the tube with two black T-joints. Use it to connect the two W-shaped leg tubes. Connect the T-joint with the pole socket to the leg tube that has a screw hole. On the other side, connect the T-joint without a socket to the leg tube that has the spring clip. Start by hooking the springs in a crisscross pattern, kinda like drawing an X around the trampoline. This helps keep the tension even as you go. Alright, before we move on to the poles, let's get that spring cover in place first.